Hey, Mr. Drew here, and we just wanted to share with you. Did you know you can support us in a lot of ways? Besides visiting the center, we have a Patreon, and the donations for our monthly Patreon vary from $1 to $100. It's your choice, but your monthly donation will help support our cause, our goal, our business. You'll help support our animals, and you'll help support us in education. $1 a month. If everybody could just give simply $1. Doesn't even affect your Dunkin' Donuts coffee run. $1 a month. We have 50,000 followers on Facebook. That's $50,000 with simply $1. So you can support us, you can help us by simply donating $1. You can donate $5, $10 a month, whatever you want to do. It's all on our Patreon. And we also have different things we're going to be giving our Patreon subscribers. They might be simple little things, but there are additional things for your support that we'll be providing to you. We hope that you can support us in simple ways, whether it's $1, $5, $10. Anything you do a month is appreciated and helps keep us going, helps keep us open, and it helps us continue education, because education is our specialty, and we do need your help. And we will provide little tidbits, behind the scenes, special features, videos only you can see if you're a Patreon subscriber. So make sure you check it out, and make sure you tune into our YouTube and subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and turn on those notifications. But please check out Patreon as well. Thank you for your time, and peace and love in these wild times.